Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before presentation, let me to introduce myself. My name is Alviana Putri from class 7A Design and Manufacture Engineering. On the implementation of the assessment final project proposal, allow me to present my final project proposal. The title is Design and Manufacture of jig and fixture for machining process balance wheel on 3-axis CNC milling machine. In this presentation, I will discuss the 7 main points, the first of which is title of final project proposal and author identity, that is to tell the audience about the topic titleized, then tell the audience about the author personal data. The second of which is background, that is to describe the reason for raising the topic. The third of which is research problem, that is to describe the formulation of the problem. Regarding the topic raised, the fourth of which is research problem, research objective, that is to describe the purpose for raising the topic. The fifth is research significance, that is to describe the benefit for raising the topic. The sixth of which is research delimitation, that is to describe the scope of problem for raising the topic. Then last of which is research method, that is to describe the flowchart of research methodology. Backgrounds. The background of the final test proposal entitled Design and Manufacture of Jig and Fixture for Machining Process Balance Wheel on 3-axis CNC milling machine, which is derived from the problem that exists in place on the job training in CV Gaya Indah. CV Gaya Indah is manufacturing company engaged in machining service by producing to produce a variety of component products according to order in industrial need. Balance wheels is one of the products that will be in a production and is a component of a production machine that serves to maintain balance. There are several problems in producing balance wheel. Namely, from the balance wheel, there is a difficult hold position for machining, a large amount production demand, and at least a 3-axis CNC milling machine room to be used. This is a 3-axis CNC milling machine at CV Gaya Indah. From the problem, jig and fixture is one of the tools that can solve. In the process of machining balance wheel, the design and manufacture of jig and fixture is made the simple model that adjusts the machine room, and there are two of jig and fixture as machining balance wheel need. In this case, because if two legs of face and rotatory table are used at once, there is a lag efficient. Research problem based on the background that has been described before, then problem obtained, that is 1. How to design jig and fixture for machining process balance wheel on 3-axis CNC milling machine. 2. How to make of the balance wheel jig and fixture correspond to CV Gaya Indah production need. 3. How does the performance of the balance wheel jig and fixture on 3-axis CNC milling machine? Research objective. The objective to be achieved in this final project include 1. Knowing of the jig and fixture design for machining process balance wheel on 3-axis CNC milling machine. 2. Can making of the balance wheel jig and fixture that correspond CV Gaya Indah production need. 3. Knowing the performance of the balance wheel jig and fixture on 3-axis CNC milling machine at CV Gaya Indah. Research significant. The benefits of writing this final project are: For students, provide general information about the process step of designing a jig and fixture for the machining process balance week. Provide information on how to manufacture and how the jig and fixture perform for the machining process balance week. For institution as a reference to increase the knowledge of other students and the use of appropriate technology in manufacture. And for the company, increase the efficiency of using 3-axis CNC milling machine, optimize the machine and production rate. Reset the limitation. The limitation of writing this final project are the design and manufacture of jig and fixture can only be used for machining balance week. 2. The type of jig fixture design can only be used for 3-axis CNC milling machine at Jaya Indah. 3. Making jig and fixture using 3-axis CNC milling machine at Jaya Indah. 4. Didn't discuss the estimate cost of making balance week jig and fixture. 5. Doesn't discuss welding power. 6. Doesn't discuss clamping power. And last, doesn't discuss the lifetime of the jig and fixture. Research method. Here is the workmanship scheme research of the jig and fixture. First, by doing a study of literature. Second, making a problem formulation. After that, preparation of list of needs and making design concept with 3 design concepts, each that match of following specification: 1 material, 2 size, 3 weight, 4 function, and 5 design. After that, doing selection of design concept, then selection of the final result of design concept, and doing deflection analysis, which is better the result of the deflection analysis from the software and manual calculating smaller than allowable deflection. If the result no too much, doing repair design concept, and if the result yes, can make next step to detail drawing and manufacturing balance with jig and fixture. After that, doing trial, which is whether jig and fixture machining process for balance week can run effective and product result match the drawing spec. If the result no, so must repair jig and fixture. If the result yes, can to less the step making, calculating, and recommendation. First design concept have two advantages and disadvantages. Jig and fixture milling have a design simple. Jig is strong enough, material is price, easy to jig operation, fast time estimation to making jig, easy to repair, but jig used not for maximum machine speed. Jig and fixture drilling, design simple, strong jig, material is price, easy to jig operation, fast time estimation to making jig, but hard to repair. Second, design concept have advantage and disadvantage. For jig and fixture milling, strong jig, easy to manufacture, complicated design, complicated design, material expense price, less efficient to jig operation, long time estimation to making jig. Jig and fixture drilling, strong jig, easy to manufacture, but Strong jig, material is priced, multi-jig, easy to repair, complicated design, long time estimate to making jig, less efficient machining process flow. Third, design concept have two advantages and disadvantages. Jig and fixture milling, strong jig, easy to manufacture, but long-term estimation to making jig, less efficient jig operation, material expensive price. For jig and fixture drilling, strong jig, material is priced, multi-jig, easy to repair, but complicated design, long-term estimation to making jig, less efficient machining process flow. Thank you for attention. Enjoy my presentation. See you.